What is going on YouTube? Welcome to Pete717. Yes, it's been a while. I took some time and had a vacation. Back now, but a couple of updates for you guys. Alright, let's look at the garage. Boom! What we do not see. 08 WRX. That thing is sold. Sold a WRX. Good money. I'm happy. Now, what we see is the whole front got painted. Anyway, the front for the 12 WRX is back from the paint shop and it looks great. Very good job color matching white pearl. It's not an easy task. They also hit my headlights with a clear coat to protect them from fading and also to make them nice and clear. So two fenders painted, scoop, hood, and the front bumper. Everything is painted. If you remember, this thing was cracked right here. The whole lip was cracked, and this side lip was cracked from here out. That was nicely fixed. Thank you so much. Color is color matched 100%. The hood was all chopped up. There's a whole bunch of holes in here and dents and all the way rusting. The fenders, same thing. The whole situation right here and right there. So anyway, very nice job. Now the second problem is now this is all shiny and this is all not shiny, and I'm afraid that I already did put the fender on and this doesn't look as shiny, so we might have to drop off the car once it's all assembled, and they're gonna have to rebuff the whole thing. Well, not the front, but the rest of the car, so it kind of matches the shininess of the paint. Now, what's happening here? Engine is virtually assembled. I just have to put a manifold, connect a wire harness, and this is pretty much done. We did get the clutch, ACT Pro Street Racing. This is a stage 1. So the clutch is in. Good morning, YouTube. Another day. It's Saturday, July 24th or something like that. Another update. A week passed by and I have some updates for you. So, we do have tires. Look at those beasts. So what we have here is race 57 getter. They're race 57 getter. They're light gram edition, and of course they're made in Japan. There you go. For the tires, I got a brand new set of Continental Extreme. There you go. Better view for you. There you go. Nice gram light race 57 getter, 19 by 18 by 9.5 plus 40. Here's the tire right there. Extreme contact. Monster. Good size. Really happy. Super stoked about it. Engine update. Well, you guys saw the parts in the last video. Good to go, ready to be installed. Engine update. I got injectors yesterday, the ID 1300s. Installed them last night. Figured out some of the tubing. I did delete. Now, let me show you something. So, this car has evap delete. It has air pump delete, TGV delete. This pretty much all the vacuum system that this car had, I removed and deleted, and all of that extra cluster right here is gone and no more. Grimspeed boost controller, replaced the factory one. That's it. We did install the 4-cylinder cooling mod. That's installed, ready to be hooked up. Oh yeah, another good one for you. So I pulled the cabin filter out, the cabin filter that filters the air inside the cabin, and there was another rat's nest inside. This is what I found inside the cabin filter. all the poop inside the filter, and that nest right there, that was so I have to clean up. Let me show it to you. It's all in the trash here. To go in there and clean that out. That fan right there, I feel like a whole bunch of stuff inside the fan, so I have to clean that out somehow. So nasty. Alright fellas, this is the moment we've been waiting for, the startup. Today I'm gonna start the car. So here's the update. The turbo, the only part that's on the back order is turbo. Still on the back order, FP green. It's been 5 weeks and they're talking about they're missing some parts. They're saying maybe 2 weeks, maybe more. They don't know. As soon as it comes in, they'll ship it out to me within a week, but I'm possibly looking, a month out. So what I did is I put TD04. It's a small turbo from the 2-liter WRX, the older ones. That's what's in there. That's going to be enough to break the engine in. I need to drive 500 miles. I'm hoping to drive 500 miles to break in, and by then hopefully the FP green comes in, and I'll put that in and we'll start tuning the car. But until then, what I want to do is I want to start it up. It's pretty much assembled. I need to connect some hoses. The bottom one is not attached. Couple of things. Fill the fluids up, and we'll start the car. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, and this is what's going on with our coolants. So that what I use for rear differential. This is my transmission. 4.5 quarts went in. Probably have to add more. Our coolant, and this is our brake-in oil. So I'm gonna put one right now, run it for a few minutes, drain it, put a second one in, 400 or 500 miles. I got a few filters. Dealer gave me some crush washers for the oil pan gasket, and good old Rotella T6 5x40 full synthetic. It's gonna be afterwards, after break-in. That's our to-go oil. So this is our fluids, and we're gonna start filling in right now. So I took fuse off of the fuel pump. I prime it first for a couple of times. Just prime it, get the oil situated to the engine. 3 times, 5 seconds apart. And then we'll do the start. So there you go.